Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Litchfield, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to move, you need access to the right options, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When it's time to relocate, you need the right crew to help you. Whether you're moving next week or several months from now, we have the right services for you. Our team will make your relocation simple. With the right Illinois moving company, you save time and energy on your local move. Many people go into a local move not realizing the amount of work involved. You have to empty your entire home or business and move all the things you want to keep at your new location. This means lots of packing, lots of loading, and lots of unloading at your new location. 3 Movers will take the hard work off your plate. We streamline the entire moving process and make it so much easier. Our team can even pack up and unpack if you prefer. A move that would take you all weekend to complete, we can get done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Litchfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.